that the women are feeling much more confident. B, many of them said that their role in decision making in the house has also improved. You see, the men are now seeing them as, okay, she also gets her 10,000. So her status also has improved.
The survey or the study that you're talking about, I think is the Subhadra Samikhya survey. So I think we can discuss that because it's a very innovative way to kind of quantify and measure the outcomes, because typically a lot of time, or at least that's the perception outside the governance circle, is that इनपुट्स पे बहुत फोकस है कि कितना पैसा लग गया, उस पे ध्यान रख दिया, राइट, बट आउटकम निकल के आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है may not be measured.
Yeah.
And a very important business principle is that what gets measured gets managed.
Correct.
So in line of that, I think this initiative, the Subhadra Samikhya survey, तो उसके बारे में समझते हैं कि क्यों किया गया and कैसे किया गया. How was this scale of a survey actually conducted and designed?
So you're right. When we thought of how do we evaluate, how do we know what, we thought, why not use our own students?
Okay.
Yeah. So we took IIM Sambalpur and the children there, and they then were trained and they went and did the survey, asked a few questions, and very quickly they were able to come up with this result that this is happening here, this is not happening. So that was very important for us.
What were some of these questions that would typically be asked, and what are those matrices that we're trying to measure? One, I think I got an understanding was that are you setting up a business? I think
Yes.
that's a very important metric. What are some of the other metrics, and if there's certain data that you can share with us?
And others were like, how satisfied are you?
Okay.
So around 87% of the Subhadras who were surveyed have found that the scheme was useful.
That's a huge number. That's a big number.
That's a very big number, yes.
Alright, so I think it's very interesting to focus on these outcomes, see what kind of how the money is being utilized, and I think kind of a lot of naysayers initially had the idea that this will be kind of used for alcohol consumption by the husbands of the household.
Yeah, no, but it went off very well, and we are hoping, and we'll keep on fine tuning it also.
Yeah.
I mean, as and when we will get any indicators that some things are not working, then perhaps we can, work out what can be done.
The amount of money which has been determined, which is 50,000 in 5 years, which translates to 10,000 rupees per year, divided into 2 installments. How was that number how is that calculated? How is that determined that this is the amount of money? इससे कम नहीं करना चाहिए, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं करना चाहिए. How can we? So how does that decision making happen?
So how it happened was that there was a lot of soul searching, but in general we felt that around 1,000 per month. So that's how it came to 10,000, and around 10 to 12,000. And then why did we go for 2 installments and not every month? Because we felt that every month means that many more transactions and the risk of perhaps some people not getting something going wrong. Whereas if you do it in 2, it will be a bigger chunk that she gets, and also the chances of something going wrong will be also lesser. That was, I think, the reasoning at that time.
For the Subhadra Yojana, I'm sure that I think you mentioned briefly that you went and met a lot of these women and asked them.
Yes.
Can you give some of the notable examples of what kind of changes in people's life have happened since women have started to get this kind of a DBT directly to them?
So one thing we observed, I observed, was that they are looking far more confident, and that has come out in the study also.
Yeah.
That the women are feeling much more confident. B, many of them said that their role in decision making in the house has also improved. You see, the men are now seeing them as, okay, she also gets her 10,000. So her status also has improved, and that she can contribute to education, to the house, to this. That has also helped. And the fact that it is going to be there every year for 5 years is also a very good, in my view, social security for women, particularly those who are, economically not as well off. So, which is the larger group. So, in a way, that way it has been very, very useful.
One of the key, I think, findings from this the study also is that some of the money was also used for the household needs and debt. डेट को खत्म करने के लिए. So there's a lot of conflicting opinion on this कि is this productive, is it something which is going to have ripple effect into lives of the household or the women themselves? How do you see these kind of spending कि कोई डेट खत्म करने के लिए कर रहे हैं या फिर आपका हाउसहोल्ड नीड्स के लिए कुछ खरीदने के लिए चीजों के लिए कर रहे हैं?
मेरे को तो लगता है दोनों बहुत बढ़िया है, because consumption is also important. If she is satisfying some of the basic household needs, it's very important. She was not able to do it earlier. If she is able to do, not only will she feel happy, but the whole household will be very happy. And likewise, if the debt is being removed, इससे बढ़िया और क्या चीज हो सकती है? And it's not that she'll only do this. When she gets the first tranche, she did this. Second tranche, she might invest somewhere else. Third time when she gets, she'll do something else. So suddenly there is a window of opportunity for her to do different things as she wants, not as others dictate.
And I think also, as you are rightly saying, that tranche by tranche, the spending
can be different.
Behavior can be different.
Totally.
And there can be inspiration from each other कि अच्छा उसने ऐसे पैसे खर्च किए, देखो उसकी लाइफ में कितना
difference है. बिल्कुल. And they are looking at each other. They are this thing. Yesterday I had gone for some function, and one woman she said I am getting my Subhadra, and so these are some very heartwarming stories.